friends, welcome to Hasni and Friends channel. Today I'm tell about how to draw Shin-Chan. Let's start. Required materials: pencil, drawing sketches or paintings, and an eraser for correcting the mistakes. Now let's draw Shin-Chan picture. Draw like shown in this video. Now the Shin-Chan picture is ready. Draw the outlines with black marker. Now the blue color to the Shin-Chan's bag. I have no skin color sketch, so I am using painting for the Shin-Chan's leg and head. Now apply skin color on Shin-Chan's face. Ta-da! The Shin-Chan diagram is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye-bye.